Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the power of Stoicism and how it can help you keep your cool in any situation. We all face stressful situations in our lives, whether it's a difficult conversation with a loved one, a job interview, or a traffic jam. But what if I told you that there's a way to stay calm and composed in any situation? Enter Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that has been around for over 2,000 years. Stoicism teaches us how to focus on what we can control and let go of what we can't. It's all about developing a mindset of resilience and inner strength. One of the key principles of Stoicism is mindfulness. By practicing mindfulness, we can learn to observe our thoughts and emotions without getting caught up in them. This allows us to respond to situations in a calm and rational way, rather than reacting impulsively. Another principle of Stoicism is gratitude. By focusing on what we have, rather than what we lack, we can cultivate a sense of contentment and peace. This helps us to stay calm and centered, even in the face of adversity. Finally, Stoicism teaches us the importance of self-discipline. By developing self-discipline, we can learn to control our impulses and make rational decisions. This helps us to avoid making impulsive decisions that we may later regret. So, how can you apply Stoicism to your own life? Start by practicing mindfulness, gratitude, and self-discipline. When faced with a stressful situation, take a deep breath and focus on what you can control. Remember, you have the power to choose your response. If you're interested in learning more about Stoicism, I highly recommend reading some of the classic texts, such as Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. So, that's it for today's video on the power of Stoicism. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, be sure to follow us on social media for more tips and tricks on how to improve your life and achieve your goals. And finally, if you have any questions or comments about today's video,